Hi everybody, welcome to Dave's World, your home for automotive mechanical entertainment. What I have behind me is a 2020 Audi A5. My friend wanted to customize the car, and I figured what I'll do is make a video on how to customize a car on a budget. This all started because he was looking to powder coat his wheels, and the amount of money it was going to cost him to get his wheels powder coated, I explained it's probably cheaper for him to do aftermarket wheels and then sell off his old ones. He'll actually possibly even make money. And then he wanted to do a couple other things with the car with a budget of about $1,500. So I thought it would be fun to show you guys what I'm going to be doing with the car. And when I get to each step in the video, you'll see where the money will be spent, and I'll tell you how much I spent on each part. What we're going to be doing starting tomorrow is I'm taking the car to a tint place. I'll be showing you guys the kind of wheels we got, what we're doing with the old wheels, and what we're going to be doing with the brakes. I thought it would be fun to put it all into the video, and while I'm driving the car, I'll talk a little bit about it too.
But before I play this video for everyone, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you can see some future updates on my channel whenever I post them. Thank you again, everybody. Hopefully you enjoy.
So I wanted to talk about the car a little bit. I can definitely tell you that the interior is very high-end looking. I'm sure there's nicer interiors out there if you get a more expensive car, but I think this one's really nice. I like the wood grain. I like the digital display on the dashboard. It's really nice. It's very high resolution. I like pretty much everywhere you touch has a really nice feel to it. One thing I don't like is this sort of tablet thing that's going on, but a lot of new cars have this. I think it's because people like electronics nowadays. I still like an old school style arrangement where you kind of have your radio, and that's really the only thing over here, and everything is within the radio. Other than that, I think this car is really cool. I do like the car is pretty quiet on the inside as far as sound deadening, and I like how it has this nice two-tone interior. The steering wheel feels really nice. It's a really nice, it almost feels like Napa leather, but it's not a bad driving car. I like how smooth it feels. And again, this is not a review. I'm just talking about the car a little bit while I'm headed over to the tint place.
Okay, we're going to pick the car up from the tint place. The next thing I'm going to do is load the wheels up in my wife's truck, and then we're going to grab the car and bring it to the tire place, and then when we get back, I'll reveal what the whole car looks like after we do the brakes.
Here's the car, but you guys aren't allowed to see it yet. I want to reveal it at the end after we've done everything.
So I thought this was a pretty fun video to shoot for everybody. You know, a lot of people have cars that they want to make a little bit better, but they don't know what kind of budget they have. And the owner of this car actually didn't even know what anything should cost, which is why he contacted me. He trusted me to kind of point him in the right direction. So instead of kind of telling him what he should be doing, I said, why don't you just bring me the car and I'll go do everything for you. Just send me the money I need to do everything. And so that's what I'm doing today. And I kind of feel like a lot of people are in the same boat with a lot of, you know, it doesn't have to be an Audi. It could be any car, you know, Corvette, Camaro, Mustang, GTO, Porsche. And you just don't know what to do. And sometimes you don't have that vision of what you can do on a budget. And, you know, that's what I'm trying to do for him. So, I'm taking you guys along with me. All right, we're coming up on the tire place now. I'm gonna drop the car off and have them do the wheels. We'll get the car back to the shop tomorrow and we'll customize the brakes. And then I'll do a reveal on everything in one shot out in the sun, so you guys can see what we did for $1,500.
Okay, we're back at my shop. I have one of the wheels off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to customize the calipers, give them a little bit of color. I'm going to show you guys how I do one of them. This is not a video on how to do all four calipers or even how to paint calipers, but I'm going to customize the caliper and then I'll do a reveal on the entire car when it's finished.
Okay everybody, so I just wanted to take a minute to pause the video and explain that a lot of people know me in the car world as somebody who does some pretty high-end professional customizations, and the reason I'm not doing work like this that I'm showing that I've done in the past is it just didn't fit the budget. In order to get the calipers or these type of calipers on the car, I would have needed quite a bit of money, but instead I decided to go with the VHT caliper paint route just because it fit that $1,500 budget. So I appreciate you guys understanding why I haven't done it this way.
Okay, the car's finished. We're hanging out on the side of the garage because I wanted to sort of do it like a reveal. So this whole project took me about 2 days, a lot of running around, and just the calipers alone were about 8 hours worth of work because it's like 95 degrees out. So I had to work a little slower. But the car's finished and I wanted to wait till it was done to reveal the whole car to you. I don't think it came out too bad for a $1,500 budget. So what we did was VHT caliper paint on the calipers, which actually brightened them up quite nicely. Instead of powder coating the existing wheels, we got these really nice high-end looking black ones and swapped those out. The tints were done in a 33%. The only light coming in from the garage is from the windshield side, so it looks a little brighter than it should. Out in the sun, it's really dark. It actually looks pretty much like this. Without the sunlight getting through it. Let me know what you guys think of me doing a video series like this where it's something that I'm working on and then there's a reveal at the end, or if you just like me doing my videos where I do the whole project from beginning to end. I probably wouldn't do a reveal style video if I'm doing like a supercharger install because that could take basically a month and I'll do that in sections. But something like this where it's a 1 to 2 day project and in the end you get to see something fun or something cool or a way to save money. I kind of enjoy making these videos, and if that's something you guys want to see, let me know. I appreciate you guys supporting Dave's World. Thank you. And please comment below if you thought this was fun or if you hated it. Let me know what you think of the 2020 Audi A5. And I actually discovered while I was working on this that it was also four-wheel drive. I had no idea. I've never owned an Audi in my life, so I don't know anything about them. But this is a cool car. Let me know what you guys think and have a very nice day.